Math GED Full Practice Test. Question 1. Convert 9 liters to milliliters. Option A, 9,000 ml. Option B, a 0.009 ml. Option C, 900 ml. Option D, 1009 ml. The correct answer is option 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters, so 9 times 1000 equals 9000 ml. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it divides instead of multiplying. Option C is wrong because it uses 100 instead of 1000. Option D is wrong because it adds the conversion factor. Question 2. Select the greatest decimal from 7.3, 1.0, and 2.7. Option A 1. Option B 7.3. Option C 2.7. Option D. They are equal. The correct answer is option. Compare tenths first and then hundredths if needed. The greatest value is 7.3. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it is the smallest value after aligning decimal places. Option C is wrong because it is between the other two values. Option D is wrong because the digits show different values after the decimal point. Question 3. Find the distance between 2, 0, and 2, 3 on a vertical line. Option A, 2. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, 0. Option D, 3. The correct answer is option. For a vertical segment, distance is the absolute difference of the y values. 3, 0 equals 3. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds coordinates from one point. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option C is wrong because it uses the exchange, which is 0 here. Question 4. Which point lies on y equals 1x plus 0? Option A, 1, 0. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, 0, 1. Option D, 0, 0. The correct answer is option. Substituting x equals 0 gives y equals 1, 0, plus 0 equals 0. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because using the new x value would require a different y value. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option C is wrong because the y value is 1 unit too high. Question 5. Multiply 10 by 7 quickly. Option A, 17. Option B, 60. Option C, 80. Option D, 70. The correct answer is option. Multiplication means 7 groups of 10, which equals 70. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds the factors. Option B is wrong because it leaves out one group. Option C is wrong because it adds one extra group. Question 6. Convert the mixed number 8 3/4 into an improper fraction. Option A, 29/4. Option B, 11/4. Option C, 35/4. Option D, 8/7. The correct answer is option. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 8 times 4 plus 3 equals 35. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it subtracts the numerator even though the mixed number is positive. Option B is wrong because it adds the whole number to the numerator without multiplying by the denominator. Option D is wrong because it places the whole number over a changed denominator. Question 7. A calculator shows 8% sales tax on $20. What total should be paid? Option A, $21.60. Option B, $1.60. Option C, $28. Option D, $12. The correct answer is option. Find the tax as 8% of $20 and add it to the original price, giving $21.60. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it shows only the tax, not the full total. Option C is wrong because it adds the tax rate as a dollar amount. Option D is wrong because it subtracts the tax rate as dollars. Question 8. Simplify the ratio 1040 so it is ready for a GED answer choice. Option A, 2050. Option B, 1:4. Option C, 4:1. Option D, 1040. The correct answer is option. Divide both parts by their greatest common factor, 10, to get 1:4. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it adds instead of dividing by a common factor. Option C is wrong because it reverses the order of the comparison. Option D is wrong because it leaves the ratio unsimplified. Question 9. A fair spinner has 6 equal sections. What is the chance of not landing on section 1? Option A, 6/5. Option B, 1. Option C, 1/6. Option D, 5/6. The correct answer is option. Only one section is excluded, so 5 of the 6 sections work, giving 5/6. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it reverses the numerator and denominator. Option B is wrong because it assumes the target section is impossible. Option C is wrong because it gives the chance of landing on the target section. Question 10. Identify the mode of 3, 5, 7, 7, 7, 9. Option A, 7. Option B, 6.33. Option C, 6. Option D, 3. The correct answer is option. The mode is the value that appears most often. 7 appears 3 times. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it finds the mean instead of the most frequent value. Option C is wrong because it gives the range. Option D is wrong because it appears only once and is not the most frequent value. Question 11. For y equals 2x plus 3, what is y when x equals minus 2? Option A, 5. Option B, 1. Option C, minus 7. Option D, y equals minus 1. The correct answer is option. Substitute x equals minus 2, y equals 2, minus 2, plus 3 equals minus 1. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it substitutes 1 for x instead of the given value. Option B is wrong because it ignores the coefficient of x. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the intercept instead of adding it. Question 12. A right triangle has legs 6 and 8. What is the hypotenuse? Option A, 100. Option B, 2. Option C, 14. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option. Use A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals C superscript 2, 36 plus 64 equals 100, so C equals 10. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it stops before taking the square root. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the legs. Option C is wrong because it adds the legs instead of using the Pythagorean theorem. Question 13. A table lists sales as Monday 27, Tuesday 27, and Wednesday 10. What is the 3-day total? Option A, 54. Option B, 64. Option C, 21.33. Option D, 27. The correct answer is option. Add all 3 listed values. 27 plus 27 plus 10 equals 64. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it leaves out Wednesday. Option C is wrong because it finds the average rather than the total. Option D is wrong because it selects only the largest day. Question 14. A student has $89 and buys 7 notebooks at $12 each. How much money is left? Option A, $77. Option B, $84. Option C, $5. Option D, $173. The correct answer is option. First find the cost. 7 times $12 equals $84, then subtract from $89 to get $5. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it subtracts only one notebook. Option B is wrong because it gives the amount spent, not the amount left. Option D is wrong because it adds spending to the budget. Question 15. Convert 4 pounds to ounces? Option A is 0.25 ounces. Option B, 48 ounces. Option C, 20 ounces. Option D is 64 ounces. The correct answer is option. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound, so 4 times 16 equals 64 ounces. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it divides by 16. Option B is wrong because it uses 12 as the conversion factor. Option C is wrong because it adds 16 instead of multiplying. Question 16. Round 3.960 to 2 decimal places? Option A, 3.960. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, 0. Option D, 3.96. The correct answer is option. Look at the digit immediately after the requested place and round to 3.96. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it leaves the number at 3 decimal places. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option C is wrong because it would only fit a zero-value situation, which is not shown here. Question 17. Reflect the point, -1, 0, across the x-axis. Option A, -1, 0. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, 0, -1. Option D, 1, 0. The correct answer is option. A reflection across the x-axis keeps x the same and changes the sign of y. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option C is wrong because it swaps coordinates instead of changing the y sign. Option D is wrong because it reflects across the y-axis. Question 18. For the graph of y equals 3x plus minus 3, which slope should the line have? Option A, 0. Option B, 3. Option C, -3. Option D, cannot be determined. The correct answer is option. In y equals mx plus b, m is the slope, so the graph should rise or fall by 3 for each 1 unit of run. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because a zero slope would be a horizontal line. Option C is wrong because it identifies the y-intercept instead of the slope. Option D is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Question 19. Subtract 17 from 66 in a no calculator warm-up? Option A, -49. Option B, 49. Option C, KD3. Option D, 1. The correct answer is option. Subtract 1s and 10s carefully. 66 to 17 equals 49. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it reverses the subtraction order. Option C is wrong because it adds instead of subtracting. Option D is wrong because it subtracts only the ones digits. Question 20. If a recipe uses 7/10 of 50 cups, how many cups are used? Option A, 35. Option B, 43. Option C, 5. Option D, 57. The correct answer is option. Multiply 50 by July 10th, 1/10 is 5, so 7 parts equal 35. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the numerator instead of multiplying by the fraction. Option C is wrong because it finds one denominator part but ignores the numerator. Option D is wrong because it adds the numerator to the whole amount. Question 21. If 12 out of 48 students passed a quiz, what percent passed? Option A, 25%. Option B, 4%. Option C, 75%. Option D, 60%. The correct answer is option. Use part divided by whole times 100. 12 divided by 48 times 100 equals 25%. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it reverses the fraction and does not describe the part of the whole. Option C is wrong because it gives the percent who did not pass. Option D is wrong because it adds the two numbers instead of forming a fraction. Question 22. A prize is split in the ratio 2 to 3. How much does the first person get from $36? Option A, $7.20. Option B, $14.40. Option C, $18. Option D, $21.60. The correct answer is option. The total ratio has 5 parts, and the first person gets 2 of those parts, so the share is $14.40. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it gives one ratio unit, not the first person's full share. Option C is wrong because it divides by only the first ratio number. Option D is wrong because it gives the second person's share. Question 23. A bag has 3 red, 4 blue, and 3 green marbles. What is the probability of red? Option A, 2/5. Option B, 10/3. Option C, 3/10. Option D, 3/7. The correct answer is option. Probability is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, so red is 3/10, simplified to 3/10. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it uses the number of blue marbles instead of red. Option B is wrong because it reverses favorable outcomes and total outcomes. Option D is wrong because it leaves out one color from the total. Question 24. Find the median of the ordered data set 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 23, 24. Option A, 12. Option B, 18. Option C, 13.29. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option. The median is the middle value when the data are ordered, with 7 values, the fourth value is 12. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it gives the range. Option C is wrong because it calculates the mean instead. Option D is wrong because it chooses the lowest value rather than the middle value. Question 25. Find the slope through -3, 1, and 0, -5. Option A, -6. Option B, -2. Option C, -3. Option D, -0.5. The correct answer is option. Slope is change in y over change in x, -5 to 1, divided by 0 to -3, equals -2. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it uses only the change in y. Option C is wrong because it adds rise and run instead of dividing. Option D is wrong because it reverses rise and run.